Are you using Microsoft Teams for communication and collaboration but finding the Microsoft Teams calling plan is too expensive? Yeastar has the solution for you. By integrating your business phone system based on Yeastar P-Series PBX with Microsoft Teams, you can make and receive phone calls directly from the Microsoft Teams interface. Plus, your Microsoft Teams client will have access to all important data like call logs, voicemails, and recordings, all in one place. The best part? You won't need to purchase expensive subscriptions or additional equipment. It's simple and affordable. In our step-by-step video, we will guide you through the integration process so you can start making phone calls from Microsoft Teams right away. To realize the integration, we need to have at least a Microsoft Teams Business Basic or above. In the meantime, for P-Series PBX, we can use either Appliance Edition, Software Edition, or Cloud Edition, as long as it has an Enterprise or Ultimate plan subscribed. And make sure the FQDN activated. You can check this video to see how to do it. Well, now we can get started. First, let's go to Microsoft Teams client and go to Apps. Here we search Yeastar Linkus. The Linkus app will be shown. Click on Install. Now the app will be installed automatically. Open Linkus application. The system will require the PBX domain for integration. Here we just put in the domain of our PBX. You can log into your PBX and go to Yeastar FQDN to copy your domain. After that, we put in the domain. The connection is successfully established. Now we can put in our extension number and password to log in. Now the Linkus app is embedded into the Microsoft Teams client. We can right-click on the icon to pin it, so it will be there whenever we need it. Now that everything's done, we can make and receive calls with Microsoft Teams. Go to Microsoft Teams Linkus app. Here we click to open the web client button to ensure that Teams is ready for calls. If you prefer the Linkus desktop client, you can also open it. Now we can put in the number we want to dial. The call is made successfully and very easily. And if a call comes in, we will receive a pop-up and answer directly. In the meanwhile, for this tab, we can check our call logs, voicemails, and recordings. Everything is available directly from Microsoft Teams client. Alright, this is how we integrate Microsoft Teams with Yeastar P-Series PBX with no extra middleware or equipment. Want to have a test around? Just go to our description and grab your P-Series PBX free trial. You will get a 30-day trial license on our cloud-based PBX with no payment upfront. Perfect for starting with Microsoft Teams and Yeastar combo. Don't hesitate, try it out.